Welcome to Queen Mary High School virtual classes. I am Mrs. Noshaba Sheikh, your English teacher. Students, today we are going to start something new. La 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 la. Students, you know who is she? Let me introduce her. She is Revati. She is very fond of music. This is her plant. They love the music she plays. Yes, you guessed it right. The name of the chapter is Revati's Musical Plants. Let's start. Revati was a student of music. She was happy playing on a violin whenever she was free. There was a small open courtyard in front of her house with a small cement bench. She would sit on the bench and practice on her violin. There were few potted plants in the courtyard. While playing on the violin one day, she noted a pot of balsam plants near the wall. The plants were not looking normal. They had pale green leaves and their growth was stunted. She remembered she had learned in the lower classes that plants need light for normal growth. She shifted the pot to the center of the courtyard, where there was ample light. While shifting the pot, an idea struck Revati. Revati was a student of music. That means she used to take lessons in music. And students, you know what is your favorite pastime? Come on, tell me. Yes, you like to play cricket, football, watching movies, going out. Same way, Revati loved to play the violin whenever she was free. She used to go in her courtyard, that means in her garden, which was in front of her house, and sit on the bench and practice her violin lessons. Now one day what happened? While she was playing her violin, she noticed a potted plant of balsam. Now balsam is a plant which gives you purple or pink color flower, a lovely flower. Now she saw that this balsam plant did not look normal. That means the leaves of the plant was pale yellow. When the leaves are pale green in color, that means the color of the leaves are light green. It shows that the growth of the plant is stunted. That means stopped or it is not growing properly. The leaves are turning yellow. So in that case, students, what are you going to do? How are you going to help the plant grow well? Yes, you have learnt in your lower classes that plants require ample of sunlight. So, Revati also got an idea and she planted her pot in center of the courtyard where there was ample of sunlight. Ample means sufficient, enough sunlight to grow the plant. How the science lesson has helped Revati? Now, what was the idea that has struck Revati? Yes, let's see. Why not participate in the best plant contest which was to be held in her colony a few weeks later? Then and there she decided to participate. Thus, making up her mind, she watered the plants and sat down on the bench and started playing for her violin. She was very fond of the raga Mohana. She played the raga for some time and then went in for her studies. Every day, Revati would sit on the bench and watch her potted plants. They were growing well and looking healthier than the other plants in the far end of the courtyard. One day, as she was playing, she noticed a movement in her potted plants. They were slowly moving their stems, bending slightly towards her. She wondered why they were moving as there was no breeze. Students, in schools we have so many competitions and we do participate in them. But in your colony, do you have any competition? Have you participated any time in it? Do you know what was the idea that has struck Revati? She got the idea of participating in the competition which was going to be held in her colony after few weeks. And what was that competition? Yes, it was the best plant competition. So, to participate in the competition, what Revati has to do? Come on, tell me. You know very well. Yes, we need to take utmost care of the plants. Right. Do you remember that your science teacher has taught you that what is a nutrient or the requirement of the plant to grow well? Yes, they require sunlight, water, and soil with nutrients or fertilizers. So Revati has already kept the plant in the center of the courtyard. That means in the center of a garden where there was ample of sunlight, sufficient sunlight for the plant to grow. And then she started regularly watering the plant and taking care of the plant as well. She was very fond of her music as well. So she used to sit in front of her potted plant and play her favorite raga, that is Mohana. After playing her favorite tune, she used to go back and study well. So students, you need to also study well. Now this was her daily routine. Daily, she used to water the plant and then sit in front of her plant and play the favorite raga Mohana. One day she noticed that there was some movement in her plants. They were slightly bending towards her. But there was no breeze around. Then why were they bending towards her? She was literally surprised. Struck as odd means she was compelled or forced to think. That means ponder about the behavior of the plants. Students, can you tell me that why were the plants bending slightly towards Revati? Yes, they were attracted towards the music that she was playing on her violin. Why it struck as odd to Revati? Yes, because there was no breeze around. That was the reason that Revati was forced to think or ponder about the behavior of the plants. Let's read further. What happened next? It struck her as odd. The next evening too, she played on her violin as usual and watched the potted plants with care. After some time, like the previous day, there was a definite movement in her plants. They all bent towards her. This astonished and surprised her. That day also, there was no breeze. Revati sat on the bench and played a different tune, one with a quick rhythm. She suddenly saw all plants turn away from her as though they did not like what she was playing. Then she started playing her favorite tune again, and the plants slowly straightened themselves and bent towards her. Her surmise became a certainty. Her plants loved to hear her favorite tune. She kept the knowledge a secret. She did not tell anyone, not even her mother. There were only a few days left for the prize distribution. To her great surprise, Revati found her potted plants not only taller and healthier than other balsam plants, but they had started flowering a few days earlier than the other plants. Surmise means that you think about something and you suppose that it is true, but you don't have any evidence to confirm that whatever you are thinking is true. In this case, Revati's surmise was that she thought the plant is attracted towards her music and she wanted to confirm it. So how did she confirm it? By playing a different tune which the plant did not like and then playing her favorite tune, that is Raga Mohana, which was very much liked by the plants. So this showed that whatever she was thinking or assuming was true. Listen carefully. Revati's favorite raga Mohana. Now Revati started observing the movement in the plants. She started playing on her violin. and she watched her potted plants with care. And lo, there was a movement in the plant. The plant was bending towards her. She was surprised as there was no breeze. And then too the plants were bending towards her. What might be the reason? Got an idea. She put the plant to test. She played a different tune with a quick rhythm. And suddenly, to her surprise, she saw that all the plants turned away from her as if they did not like the tune at all, which was played by Revati. So, she changed the tune to her favorite Raga Mohana. And when she started playing the Raga Mohana on her violin, the plants slowly straightened themselves and bent towards her. This showed that whatever Revati was thinking was true. Her plants loved to hear her favorite tune. They got attracted towards the Raga Mohana, and that was the reason that they show the definite movement whenever she used to play the favorite tune on her violin. As soon as she discovered the connection between the tune and the movement in the plant, she kept it as a secret to herself. She did not even tell her mother because there was hardly few days left for the prize distribution. And the plants are growing well. Potted plants of balsam have become taller and taller, healthier and healthier than any other balsam plants, and they have started giving flowers as well before the other balsam plants could give. Students, you need to write down at least 30 hard words along with their meanings in your notebook without fail. So students, we have covered the half part of the story. The next will be continued in the next video. Till then, thank you.